Sri from Unique Solutions of Advanced Technologies. Here is the 8th recommendation I would like to share with you on security. Be aware of social engineers. What do you mean by the social engineers? You might not have heard this word, or you might be confused, what does this mean? It is certainly not social marketing. Social engineering is something like, you might have already seen the emails stating that, okay, you won a lottery, please click here so that we can send you the money. Or please give us this information so that we can send you the money. Something like that. So these are social engineers, those who try to be socialized with you and grab your information. So it is very, very important that you educate yourself and you educate your friends and employees not to entertain these social engineers coming into the systems, coming into your computers. So you share your information only if and only you know these websites that are secure, or you may be able to look at if they are secure websites by looking at their website address. If it says HTTPS, that would be a secure website where you can comfortably put your sensitive data. So if you can share this with your employees and friends, that'll be great. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.